Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is my Telegram channel Sheri SK Official. I will provide every notification of video or any update first. Here, please join and share with your friends. I have Billboard Mockup. Here is 3 different mockup in one file. These are PSD for Photoshop CC plus and CS plus. Drag to Photoshop. Wait. Okay, artboard 1, artboard 2 and artboard is 3 last. You see the signature mockup editable PSD. So here is a background, effect, image and your artwork. Okay, we need image and our main image, our main area is show here on signature mockup editable. Okay, because here is some background are called walking. We need like this or this. I tell you, just for example, you import your own poster or banner here. Enter Control S for saving. 94% no, and you see our photo in Billboard. Wow, you see here, and same thing is here. Here is just portrait and here is horizontal, here is vertical. Effect, your artwork, we need portrait photo. I like this image. Drag there, Control S. No, and you see our photo is here. Last is same thing is here. Import your artwork. Control S, and you see our design in Billboard. You see, I hope these mockup are useful for you. Subscribe my Telegram channel Sheri SK Official. I will provide every notification first here. Take care. Allah Hafiz.